In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. First, to get started, launch Open Monopoly Go application. Once you end up in this page, tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see a Facebook Connect button in the expanded menu on the right. Tap on Facebook Connect button and then tap on the Confirm button in the pop-up. Also, you'll need to log into your Facebook account using your facebook.com credentials. Tap on the Continue button and it'll take you to your website. You might also need to log in with your Facebook account if you're not yet. So go ahead and log into your Facebook account on this website, and after you are logged in, tap Continue. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.